जिंदगियों को बर्बाद होते देखा है। मैंने उन नौजवान लड़कों को नशे की दलदल में फंसते हुए देखा है। मैंने उन लड़कियों को कुछ नया ट्राई करने की चाह में मरते देखा है। मैं नशा हूँ जनाब, मैंने जिंदगियों को बर्बाद होते देखा है, जिंदगियों को बर्बाद होते देखा है। A very warm good morning to one and all present here. This is Shivani Thakur, standing as a representative of the school Rajmata Shanti Devi Government Model Senior Secondary School, Delhi. I hope you all are doing great. Today, I am here not just to win this competition, but for making you all aware of one of the evils of our society, that is drug addiction increasing in India and its side effects. Addiction is a disease that affects your brain and behavior. And when you are addicted to drugs, you can't resist the urge to use them, no matter how much harm the drug may cause. Have you ever thought, why do people take drugs? Especially the teenagers, the age between 11 to 19 years. Let me clear. The teenage years often come with many insecurities, low self-esteem, and fear of not being accepted. In order to fit in order to feel good, or with the company of bad friends, they start buying and using drugs like cannabis, cocaine, heroin, nicotine, etc. in the form of afeem, bhang, chitta, charas, and so on. Talking about its side effects, it destroys us physically, mentally, as well as financially. Short-term mental side effects of drugs are aggression, difficulty in concentration, and long-term mental side effects are anxiety and memory loss. Long-term physical side effects of drugs are skin damage, kidney damage, liver damage, infertility, weight loss, and high risk of cancer. And also, the overdose of any kind of drug can also cause death. Hence, drugs should be avoided at all. Talking about its prevalence in India, Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Chhattisgarh, and Sikkim have the highest prevalence of cannabis use. Top states in terms of sedative use are Punjab, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Mizoram, Manipur, Sikkim, Nagaland, and Gujarat. With this, some serious figures have emerged regarding the drug epidemic in India. This survey shows that the number of drug addicts in India has crossed 37 crores. I repeat, 37 crores. This number is more than the world's third most populous country, America. Along with this, the number of alcohol drinkers in India has reached 16 crores, which is almost equal to the population of Russia. These increasing numbers are putting the future of our country in danger. Talking about the prevalence of drugs in Himachal Pradesh drug problem includes illegal cultivation of cannabis and opium, that is bhang and afeem, and production of chemical narcotics. Our own district Kullu, you will be surprised to know, our own district Kullu is infamous in the entire state for the production of illegal cannabis. I am ashamed to say that the district that conducts so many awareness campaigns in school and in many other places to stop drug abuse is at number 1 in the entire state for the production of illegal cannabis. Pausing here, I want to conclude by saying that drugs should be an absolute no for all, and I sincerely hope that our students and all of us will never ever try to consume drugs and will completely stay away from its use. It is necessary that youth should be made aware of the consuming drugs and its consequences. Remember that our country needs you as you are its future. In the end, I would like to say, अभी तो बस चांद तक पहुंचे पहुंचे हैं, अभी चांद के उस पार भी जाना है। अभी तो बस चांद तक पहुंचे हैं, अभी चांद के उस पार भी जाना है। हमें इंडियन कहो या भारतीय जनाब, हमें इंडियन कहो या भारतीय जनाब, हमें तो बस अपने देश का गौरव बढ़ाना है, देश का गौरव बढ़ाना है। Now I request everyone to strictly say no to drugs and do not try to play with your life and do not try to spoil your life. And also, the government must take strict measures to stop illegal trade of drugs in the market and save our youth from destruction. Thank you, Jai.